Hello, my name is Rick Gonzalez, and I'm joined here with my friend Benito Comodina.
Hi, how are you?
And we're here to talk to you about some of the features that Zoom has to offer. Zoom is an online interface or a chat room that allows you to communicate through many different platforms, such as the tablet, smartphone, computer. There are several features that we want to demonstrate to you that will get you a little bit more comfortable using Zoom. To start things off, once you're in a Zoom chat room, you have the ability down here to mute and unmute yourself if you have successfully connected a microphone so that everyone else in the chat will be able to hear you. You can also share your screen right here in the middle. And by clicking this button right here, it'll bring you right here, and it'll show you that you have the ability to share whatever tabs you have open, whether it's your settings, your PowerPoint, or a different tab you have open in a browser. Through over here, you'll be able to see the different participants that are in your Zoom chat room. And in here, you can see that I am the only one in the chat room at this moment. There's different features in this chat right here in the participants. You can either raise your hand to indicate to everyone in the room that you might have something to say, a yes or no. For some reason, your microphone might not be working at the moment. It's a good feature to use.
So next I'm going to talk about the chat feature, and through here you can chat with fellow classmates in the room. As you can see, someone was in here earlier saying, "Hi, how are you everyone?" And we responded with "Hi." You can also choose who you want to send your message to. Right now we can send everyone because there's only us in the chat. And from there you can also invite people through phone. You send them the confirmation link here, and through email, default email, Gmail, or Yahoo Mail, either or is fine. And you can also record your screen at any given moment if you want to play it back at a later time and review what was talked about during your session.